Hello everyone and welcome to the Crestron booth here at CEDIA 2025 in beautiful Denver, Colorado. I'm so excited to show you our latest control solution. This is the brand new Cevo Mini remote. So let's come in and take a closer look. This is built from the ground up with direct feedback for how we watch TV today, with a very focused layout, minimalist buttons for TV streaming platforms. You'll see on the top side of the remote up here, we can swipe to see different shortcuts for our favorite streaming platforms and some other shortcuts here. You can have your scenes activating here, so I could press that movie scene and have my shades lower, my lights dim, my TV turn on and all that. Of course, you have volume control, your natural navigation buttons that we all expect now with a home button, your playback control and everything super, super sleek. But of course at Crestron we gotta do it bigger. So we're introducing some awesome smart home control as well. So you can select modes and then control the lighting specifically in that room. Click it again, you'll shift to the shades control as well. Super, super flexible and super easy to use. A beautiful physical design with this single glass pane in the front and a very tactile experience and a nice weight. And of course, we have to charge it, so there's two ways to charge it. You could plug it in directly, or you can get this lovely horizontal wireless charger and charge the remote like that. So it's always ready for you to enjoy. We're super, super excited about this product, and if you'd like to learn more, visit us at crestronhome.com.